This is a video for all those people that are lucky enough to be in a house with a generator during a hurricane. Number one, before you lose power, you need to figure out what kind of generator you have. You need to go to YouTube and you need to figure out, watch a tutorial on how to use the generator. Download that video because you will not have self-service. You will not be able to Google, how do I use this goddamn generator when you need it? Download the video ahead of time. Get the specific tools that you need to maintenance your generator before the storm hits. Get them all ready, lined up. Have extra parts for your generator. I know one hurricane, my dad left town and he taught me how to use a generator before he left. And guess who put too much oil in the filter? Yeah, luckily we had extra filters, but not good. So make sure you have extra parts in case accidents happen, and they do happen. Make sure you know how to maintenance it. Make sure you have a headlamp. That way both hands are able to use tools while you have to maintenance your generator. A headlamp is essential for working on your generator at night. What else? Be safe, okay? Be safe. And have a good day. I hope that's helpful.